Whipping all this dope up in the trap house. We fuck all you bitches at the trap house. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. It don't mean that be like Jerry Stackhouse. I might fall in love with my trap house.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Starting the vlog a little bit on the move today. Just got a text from Ryan Dengler that he just landed a little bit earlier than normal. He was supposed to land like 20 minutes ago, so we kind of rushed out of the house to kind of head to the airport, but we're in some traffic right now, as you can see. A little early morning AZ traffic, but we're gonna go pick up Ryan Dengler from the airport, and he gets in about an hour before Ryan Casey, so we're probably gonna go get something to eat really quick. I'm thinking probably like McDonald's, just something fast, but look at this!
Play the block, repeat. That's all a young nigga learn from these streets. I was in the trenches with my soldiers.
What the fuck? Forever at the baggage claim, dude. Honestly. What's up? Absolutely, dude. Yeah.
What's up,
Ryan?
Give it away. Dude, that was a freaking maze.
Yeah.
That was a maze, man. Yeah.
Did it take a while to get your bags? Like,
Also that.
We were sitting there for like 20 minutes, like waiting for them to start coming out, dude. Really? It took forever, yeah.
I just stay pulled up. They don't know the gang, give a fuck about what they told us. And they gon' try something cause they fully for the club. I know a couple niggas wanna do me for the club.
Hey! Alright guys, so we just got back to the condo. We're chilling with everybody. We're gonna go get some hot dogs at Portillo's. Possibly one of my favorite restaurants here in Arizona. Show the boys what's good. We got some good AZ food. Then we're gonna go to In-N-Out. Then we're gonna work out. And then we're going to my parents' house. So it's gonna be a lit vlog today. Stay tuned.
So only nutritional food today, essentially, is what we're doing, right? Yeah.
Only nutritional.
Only nutritional food.
The American way.
I'm supposed to be on a diet. Well, I'm technically on a meal plan. So Justin, my trainer, I'm sorry. I already told you that I wasn't gonna meal plan for this weekend. And he told me just to do macros, but honestly, I'm probably not even really gonna do that. I'm just gonna enjoy the weekend. I'm always super lean anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And I could always hit some cardio and do that stuff to kind of lean out later. So gaining the weight now doesn't really necessarily matter as much, but we're definitely gonna get some good protein here and just enjoy this next week.
I'm literally just getting like a plain ketchup, only hot dogs. They have everything though.
Cause she was saying like you get like an Italian beef thing with like something in the middle of it or something like that. Like
yeah, I think it's probably like cheese filled. I have no idea.
What'd you get, man?
It's 2 basic ass hot dogs, dude.
There you go.
Yeah, I have to keep it light. I'm on like 50 carbs for the day. That's my macros. 50 carbs for the total. But yeah, that looks
Solid. Fuck all that. Go, man.
Yeah,
me too.
What'd you get?
A jumbo hot dog and cheese fries. Solid cheese fries. The best thing here.
Yeah.
Wow, that was the first time I have eaten more than 1,000 calories in one meal in like the last week or two, and it feels absolutely amazing. I'm happy. I don't know, there's definitely studies that show like when you eat carbs, like you are genuinely a happier person, and I can assure you I'm happier right now.
does that mean Ryan's not gonna be a happy person?
Yeah.
Wait. One second. No.
Are you happy right now?
I don't think I'm happy right now.
It's because you don't have carbs in.
Yeah, well, it's also because I feel left out.
What up? Everyone came back from Portillo's and passed out. Joe's on the way. Insert titties.
Titties.
And then we're gonna go ahead and work out at EOS. Jace is filming me because I don't have any urge to get up. And yeah. What? Yeah. Huh? What?
My shorts are too short right now, though.
Thanks for the
Alright,
titties. Hey.
Sorry, titties.
Gonna try out some new pre-workout today. So this is BPN's Endo Pump. Ryan Dengler sponsored by them, so he had some, and he was nice enough to let me try it. So I'm gonna give it a try today. I already kind of tried a little bit, and it's giving me that like really intense vibe already. So I'm really excited, and we're gonna go catch a lift with these guys. I think I'm gonna hit back, although they're probably gonna focus on chest. I definitely hit chest with Justin yesterday, and he absolutely killed me. So I am gonna focus more on probably back and like rear delts, maybe some biceps as well. But yeah, we're gonna head to the gym right now. It should be pretty fun, and then we're gonna do a lot of stuff later with the boys, so stay tuned. Straight to the gym. A lot has happened in between, but we're gonna get straight into this workout. I'm gonna hit some back. I'm probably gonna throw in some raw clips of just like my back workout, but then we're also gonna probably do a little squat edit, so stay tuned.
Living like a race, ain't no sign of stopping, I'm on pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up on my face, I need diamonds on my face. Only came for the baddies and the drinks. Getting bands, give a fuck about what you think. Watch what happens when I give a little wink. Clean money, got her hands up on the sinks. And she know we been living fast, on me, we ain't going slow. Foot up on the gas when I'm whipping through the coast. We don't go to class, but you know we on the road. Yeah, you know we on the road.
It was good.
Is that in the edit or the vlog?
This is the vlog now.
This is the vlog. This is Julian. Me and Ryan are like the same. Holy shit, he's bigger.
He's catching up to me, but
I'm trying to get
you gotta get yourself one of these Alfie stringers.
They all sell out. And
Gotta
they're
be on there
expensive.
right away.
I entered all your giveaways, but they're all huge sizes. I never win.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just finished up the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed the edit. Put my heart and soul into it, so if you guys like it, leave a like on the video, and all those guys' Instagram stuff are going to be in the description, just like normal. But right now we are heading to my parents' house. We're going to get some steaks, got to get that post-gym meal, get some protein. I guess I am not necessarily following my meal plan like I said, and I'm just going to try and eat as healthy as possible. Like I've said, some high protein after the gym is obviously highly recommended. I normally drink a protein shake, but today we're just going to go eat some steaks, so see you then.
Forgot the piece.
Race, ain't no sign of stopping, I'm on pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe.
That was actually sick.
Alright, so a lot of time has passed. We just kind of jumped in the pool. We were just kind of living life, having fun. But we are going to eat some steaks right now. My parents were nice enough to make some steaks and stuff, so shout out to them. We're having a lot of fun. We also shot this really cool shot of us kind of messing around, playing basketball, so I'm going to play that clip right now. But we are going to head back to my place later, and we're probably just going to edit and just have fun, and I'm going to probably, you know, vlog some of that too. Throw in a little bit more of the behind the scenes of kind of like how our day goes, not necessarily so much oriented around like one specific video. So hope you guys enjoy it, but let's go eat.
Heat. Straight for you.
Yo.
The only one who says it.
I don't know, like I feel like if we something that literally just won.
What's up, dude? Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog today. It was probably a little bit shorter video today. We kind of did a lot of random stuff. And kind of just did more stuff that like I just didn't really want to film. Kind of spent some good quality time with the bros, with my family, and you know, had a lot of fun at the gym and whatnot. So probably a little bit shorter video, but hope you guys liked it. Roll the outro.